Connect the shielding gas supply to the rear of the machine and attach the earth and pistol cables to the front of the machine. Note that the plugs are keyed to prevent incorrect fitting. Finally, connect the gas plug. Switch on the controller and adjust the weld and gas purge times using the push buttons and adjuster knob. Screw the chuck into place on the pistol. Note that it is important to support the pistol shaft when tightening the chuck. Fit a stud into the chuck and set the required protrusion by positioning the adjustable leg assembly. Set the required lift by turning the adjuster at the rear of the pistol. One click approximates 1/4 mm of lift. Place the stud at the position to be welded and press the pistol firmly into position. Pull the trigger. Complete setting information can be found in the product manual. For further information, go to tailor-studwelding.com.